The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
ഹായ്, ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു കഥയിലൂടെ തുടങ്ങും. ഒരിക്കൽ ഒരു സ്ത്രീ ഒരു ചിത്രകാരനോട് തൻ്റെ ചിത്രം വരച്ചു തരാൻ ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടു. അദ്ദേഹം 3 മിനിറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ അവരുടെ ചിത്രം വരച്ചു കൊടുത്തു. അതിൻ്റെ പ്രതിഫലമായിട്ട് 3 ലക്ഷം രൂപയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം ചോദിച്ചത്. അപ്പോൾ ആ സ്ത്രീ വളരെ അതിശയത്തോടു കൂടി ചോദിച്ചു, ഈ 3 മിനിറ്റിൽ വരച്ച ചിത്രത്തിന് 3 ലക്ഷം രൂപയാണോ പ്രതിഫലം? അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞ മറുപടി ഇങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു, ഇത് എൻ്റെ 30 വർഷത്തെ പരിശ്രമത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രതിഫലമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ 30 വർഷത്തെ പരിശ്രമമാണ് അദ്ദേഹം 3 മിനിറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ വരച്ച് തീർത്തു കൊടുത്തത്, അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എത്ര നാൾ പരിശ്രമിക്കുന്നു എന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ മികച്ച വിജയത്തിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനം. അപ്പോൾ അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങൾ നന്നായിട്ട് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ വീട്ടിലാണല്ലോ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് സമയമുണ്ട് പഠിക്കാൻ. അപ്പോൾ നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. എല്ലാ സബ്ജക്റ്റും ഒരുപാട് സമയമെടുത്ത് റിവൈസ് ചെയ്ത് പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടേ ഇരിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ലൊരു വിജയം ഉണ്ടാവും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് പോവാം.
Let's recall what we have learned in the previous class. If we join the ends of a diameter of a circle to a point on the circle, we get a right angle. Inside the circle, we get an obtuse angle. Outside the circle, we get an acute angle. Okay?
Today, we are going to discuss the problems based on the previous theorems. Let's do a problem. One angle of a triangle is 130 degree. If we draw a circle with diameter as the opposite side of this angle, examine whether the vertex is inside, outside or on the circle. So here ABC is the triangle. Angle C is 130 degree. If we draw a circle of diameter AB, so here we have to find out the vertex is inside, outside or on the circle. Which vertex? The opposite of AB. Here the opposite of AB is angle C. So angles ACB is greater than 90 degree. That means angle ACB is an obtuse angle. So angle ACB is inside, outside or on the circle? It is inside the circle. Okay, it's an obtuse angle. So angle ACB is inside the circle. So AB as the diameter, O is the center of the circle, angle C is inside the circle. Okay, next problem. If circles are drawn with each side of a triangle of sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm as diameters, then with respect to each circle, where would be the third vertex? So here the sides of the triangle is 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. Okay, so what is 5 square plus 12 square? 5 square plus 12 square equal to 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. So which is equal to 169. That means 13 square. Okay, so here we can write 5 square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter can form a right triangle. This is Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so right triangle. Right triangle means one of the angle is 90 degree. A, B, C, angle A 90 degree. Here 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. The opposite side of angle 90 degree is 13 centimeter. That is the largest side. Okay, so angle A is 90 degree. So what about angle C and angle B? Angle C and angle B, which is total sum. Angle B plus angle C equal to 90 degree. That means angle B is less than 90 degree. Angle C also less than 90 degree. That means an acute angle. Angle B is an acute angle. Angle C also an acute angle. So total angle sum will be 180 degree. Okay, 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeters as diameters. Then with respect to each circle, where would be the third vertex? This is our question. So if AB has a diameter, so what would be the third vertex? Third vertex is C. C is, what about angle C? Angle C is less than 90 degree. So it is outside the circle. So we have to write AB as a diameter. Angle C is less than 90 degree. So it is outside the circle. Okay, next DC as a diameter. DC as diameter. So which is the third vertex? Angle A. Angle A equal to 90 degree. That is on the circle. Then what about the third one? AC. AC as a diameter. So which is the third vertex? If AC has a diameter, the third vertex is B. Angle B is less than 90 degree. So it is outside the circle. Okay, so AB as a diameter, angle C is outside the circle. BC as a diameter, angle A equal to 90 degree, that is on the circle. If AC as a diameter, angle B is less than 90 degree, that is outside the circle. Okay, clear? Next problem. Prove that the two circles are drawn on the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle as diameters pass through the midpoint of the third side. So here the circles are drawn on the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle. AC and BC are the diameters of the circles. Okay, here we have to prove that the circles pass through the midpoint of the third side of the triangle. Okay, here we have to prove that the circles pass through the midpoint of the third side of the triangle. So for the proof, we can draw a dotted line. Dotted line as CD. Okay, now we have two triangles. Which are the triangles? Triangle ADC and triangle BDC. So in these two triangles, AC equal to BC, that is given in the question. Okay, AC equal to BC. AC and BC are the equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Then CD equal to CD. CD equal to CD. That is common side of these two triangles. Okay. Now what about angle ADC? Angle ADC equal to 90 degree. What is the reason angle ADC equal to 90 degree? AC is the diameter. The ends of the diameter joining at angle ADC. That is equal to 90 degree. That is on the circle. Okay. Then what about angle BDC? Angle BDC also 90 degree. The ends of the diameter joining at angle BDC, it is on the circle. On the circle is 90 degree. Okay. So now right triangle, angle ADC 90 degree, angle BDC also 90 degree. So triangle ADC and triangle BDC are right triangles. Okay. Then AC equal to BC. AC and BC are the hypotenuse of these triangles. Okay. Then CD equal to CD. CD is the common side. Now, according to RHS theorem, these two triangles are equal. RHS theorem, these two triangles are equal. So, what about the third side? Third side will be equal. That is AD equal to BD. That means B is the midpoint. So, therefore, the circles pass through the midpoint of the third side of this triangle. Okay. Next problem. In the picture, a circle is drawn with a line as a diameter and a smaller circle with half the line as diameter. Prove that any chord of the larger circle through the point where the circles meet is bisect by the smaller circle. This is the question. So here AB is the diameter of the larger circle and AO is the diameter of the smaller circle. Okay. Then we have to prove that the small circle is bisect the chord of the larger circle. Okay, the small circle is bisect the chord of the larger circle. Okay, so what is given in the question? AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter of the larger circle. And AO is the diameter of the smaller circle. AO is the diameter of the small circle. Okay, then AC is the chord. We have to prove that AP equal to CP. AP equal to CP. How we can prove this? For the proof, we have to draw a line. This is the dotted line. That is OP is the dotted line. So what about angle APO? Angle APO equal to 90 degree. So reason is AO is the diameter. The ends of the diameter joining at P. That means angle APO, which is equal to 90 degree. That is on the circle. Okay. So OP is perpendicular to AC. OP is perpendicular to AC. So here we have to prove that AP equal to CP, angle APO equal to 90 degree. That is from the figure we have written angle APO equal to 90 degree. Then OP is perpendicular to AC. So we have studied already in 9th standard a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord will bisect the chord. Bisect means it is dividing equally. So bisects the chord. That means therefore we can write AP equal to CP. AP equal to CP. The reason, a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord will bisect it. This we have studied in 9th standard circle lesson. Do you remember this? Okay. Next problem. The two circles in the picture cross each other at A and B. The points P and Q are the other ends of the diameters through A. First one, prove that P, B, Q lie on the line. Next one, prove that PQ is parallel to the line joining the centers of the circles and is twice as long as this line. So, what is given in the question? PA and PAQ are the diameters of the circle and the two circles cross each other at A and B. A and B. So, what is the first one? We have to prove that PBQ lie on the same line. So, for that we have to draw a dotted line. Here we have to draw a dotted line and join A and B. Okay, so now we have two triangles, triangle PBA and triangle QBA are the two triangles. So what about angle PBA? Angle PBA equal to 90 degree. Okay, so here AP is the diameter, the ends of the diameter joining at angle PBA, that is on the circle. So it is 90 degree. The same way angle QBA also 90 degree. So what about angle PBA plus angle QBA? The total angle sum is 180 degree. So angle PBA plus angle QBA equal to 180. That means PBQ are on the same line. Therefore, PBQ on the same line. Total angle sum is 180 degree. So, PBQ on the same line. So, we have proved PBQ lie on the line. Next one, we have to prove that PQ is parallel to the line joining the centers of the circles and is twice as long as this line. So, that means we have to draw a dotted line that is connected to the centers of the circles. So, we can give name as CD. Now, CD is the dotted line. We have to prove that CD is parallel to PQ and CD is half of PQ. Okay, second one. C is the midpoint of AP and D is the midpoint of AQ. D is the midpoint of AQ. So, we have studied already in 9th standard. The line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of the third side. Okay, so we can write CD parallel to PQ and CD equal to half PQ. CD parallel to PQ and CD equal to half PQ. The reason is the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle will be parallel to the third side and will be half of 8. Okay? Understand? Let us wind up today's session. I hope you have understand what I have taught today. Keep practicing at home. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.